guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a nail polish organizer that I bought to organize all my gel polishes. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I actually ordered a nail organizer from Amazon. I will list it down below in the description if you like to take a look at it. This one here that I purchased is $24.99 and it came in several different colors, and it's supposed to hold 42 bottles plus all kinds of other stuff. And when I saw there's like a divider on the top so I can put the little UV light and everything, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is perfect. So I went ahead and purchased this, and then when I was gonna start rearranging it and putting it all in here yesterday, I'm like, you know what? Let me show you guys, because I do know a lot of people like organization videos and how they do certain things. So in case you might be having the same situation as I was, you might want to see this or purchase one for yourself or for a gift or something like that. So I thought I'll just do it in a video and then rearrange everything and show you. So I, of course, got the teal. They even had like a mint color, but I'm teal over mint, even though they're both my favorite color. And this is how it comes. Let me remove the plastic. So out of the package, but you can see here, there's my second layer. Now, currently before Nail Reserve sent me those gel polishes, I only had like regular nail polishes, and I have a little kit that I purchased, I think from Target a long time ago. I even purchased the same one for one of our nieces. I just love the color. It has black and white, and it has my teal, of course, and I have all my polishes underneath and like my tools and files and stuff on top. But then once I got the gel polish, I got other tools and other files, and then like these little sticker things. So literally everything is like piled on top. I can't even close that anymore. And then all of my gel polishes are all just like kind of sitting in one of the boxes that I got, because once they sent me like, I think it was 4 different colors for review, I went on their site and bought a lot more colors so I can broaden my horizon, and I do want more. So this is going to allow me to organize all of my gel polishes in one area, and then I still have room for growth. So again, this is how it looks. It is a fabric, and it has like this little design on it. You have your handle on the top. There's 2 zippers on both. When you open up the top, you do have an organization up here that you can put stuff in, and all right here as well. This right here, you can stick anywhere on here. So the divider, however wide you need it. So what I'm gonna do is stick my UV light and then put it next to it, and then I'm gonna toss like all my other tools and like files and all that other stuff right here on the side. And then down here is going to be the spaces for all of the different polishes. Oop, that one's got a little squished in transit right there, but that's okay. Once you put a polish in there, it'll open that bad boy right back up. But I definitely do not have this many polishes, so I will have room for growth. And then on the bottom, or the lid for this one, you have the zipper that goes up and down that you can put stuff in. Did I close it now? Nope. You have this little, it's like a little area here for tools, and then you can stick things in here as well. So there's a lot of storage. And again, I love that they have so many different colors, and I'm going to finally be able to organize my stuff so I can get it off my table and put them away until I want to use them again. So if you want to see me organize this and see how it looks with everything in it, then here you go. So before I start organizing the new one, let me show you my current situation. So this is everything that I have for my gel polishes, all of my order, and then I have like my different colors down here, and then my lamp, and then this is the box I was telling you used to close that no longer closes. So let's go ahead and fix this. And then if you want to see up close how I organized everything, I did keep this in the box. I feel like it's going to help hold its shape. So I kept it in the box, put all the tools on this side. And then all of the colors and tools are down here. Yes, I did move those colors around a lot because I'm undecisive. I love how everything fits and I have so much more room. But if you want to see them side by side, this is now, I can close it, yay! But this is how everything looks inside of this one if you were just interested. And now I'm so glad to have two different boxes. I know which is which and they're all organized. So again, if you want to check them out and see all of the different colors that they have, I will have it listed down below so you can go and check out that Amazon listing. If you like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. All right, you guys, so now that is everything that I have to say and show for this video. So comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.